What's the meaning of appliqué? Appliqué. Appliqué.
Appliqué. Appliqué. Appliqué is a sewing technique used to decorate fabrics by layering small pieces of fabric onto a larger background fabric. The result is a decorative design that can be used on various textiles, such as clothing, quilts, and home decor. This technique is often used to create intricate designs, such as flowers, animals, or abstract shapes. Appliqué can be done by hand or by machine, and can use a wide variety of fabrics, textures, and colors. The end result is a unique and personalized decoration that adds depth and interest to any piece of fabric.